Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make paper and infinite crafts. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. So first we're gonna grab earth and then water to a plant, and then we add earth to a tree, then we add tree to a forest. Leave this aside. Then we add tree and then fire to ash. Then we add tree again to pencil. So now we're gonna bring this pencil to the forest and we have paper. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.